Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the premium hobby upgrade ticket in Heartopia. So I finally got it today. Well, I did get it yesterday, but I wasn't really in the mood to make a video. But still, I can upgrade it today. So I finally reached DG member level 21, and as you can see, I got one. You can only get one almost per level. You don't get it in like level 53 for some reasons. So we are going to have to wait another like 5 days-ish to get the next premium hobby upgrade ticket. So let's upgrade it. Oh my god, I finally got it. Okay, and I'm able to upgrade any hobby to level 11. I'll see you in the next video and you'll see what hobby I leveled up. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!